Hi there, it's Joseph, and welcome back to the YouTube channel dedicated to San Miguel de Allende's secrets. And today we're going to talk about January 6th, or the day the Cowboy Pilgrims leave town. On Three Kings Day, pilgrims from San Miguel de Allende will join thousands of others on horseback riders to visit Christ the King. Christ the King is the 65-foot statue of Christ atop an 8,500-foot mountain right by the León airport that marks both the geographic center of Mexico and a shrine to the martyrs of the 1927 war between the government of Mexico and the church. That's Christ the King Church here in San Miguel, and on top of the building there you can see that's a miniature of the statue that you can see by the León airport. It is to the statue that thousands of cowboys are riding, just as the three wise men rode to the manger in Bethlehem on this day over 2,000 years ago. The three kings rode to acknowledge the kingship of Jesus, much like the pilgrim riders mark this day as a feast for Christ the King. Following Mass at the small Christ the King Church in the Guadalupe neighborhood, San Miguel de Allende's cowboys begin their pilgrimage. Pilgrimages are common in Mexico and abroad, but seldom is there such a massive horseback gathering of faith. Riders come from around the state and the world to bring the procession that ends at the foothills of the statue. There, in a solemn ceremony, the riders receive a special blessing during an outdoor mass. And after the mass, the pilgrim riders rest, put on clean clothes, and then ride up to the mountain individually or in small groups to venerate the famous statue of Christ the King. As always, feel free to click the subscribe button below, and you'll get automatic notifications of the near daily new videos that come out here on the YouTube channel dedicated to San Miguel de Allende's secrets.